Hi everyone, welcome to On Finance, and in this video we're going to cover exchange traded fund or ETF. So let's jump to the definition. An investment fund traded on a stock exchange which tracks an underlying asset or index. Now, this asset or index could be, invested in, let's say, currency, it could be commodities, or let's say bonds or stocks. Affordable compared to regular common stocks, highly diversified, market-based liquidity, and intraday pricing. Now, if you can recall, unlike UITFs and mutual funds, they are not traded on an exchange and they are not following an intraday pricing. But for ETFs, they are highly tradable in the secondary market. So the mechanics behind is that we have a set of investors and then they have their funds invested in an ETF company, wherein an ETF is actually invested to multiple sectors or let's say various business sectors. And then in return, investors would get the benefit of the appreciation of price per share. Now here we have the first Metro ETF. So if you're going to look at here, we have the composition of the fund is almost like the same with the composition of the PSEi. And if you're going to look at the number of components, it's actually the same. They have 30 companies inside their baskets. And if you're going to look at closely dito sa line graph, makikita mo yung black line, which is the performance of the PSEi, and the blue line, which is the performance of the ETF. They are very much the same. And halos lahat ng data points dito sa chart, they're actually mirroring each other. So this ETF is an index tracker, so it completely tracks the performance of the PSEi. Okay, so that will be all for now. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.